If you want to delete your Hotels.com account permanently, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is removed successfully. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Hotels.com website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for an option that says Account or Profile in the menu. Step 3. Find the Account Deletion option. In the account settings, search for the option related to account deletion or deactivation. This may be listed under Privacy or Security. Step 4. Follow the deletion process. Click on the Account Deletion option and follow the prompts. You may be asked to confirm your decision and provide a reason for leaving. Step 5. Confirm deletion. After completing the steps, check your email for a confirmation message from Hotels.com. Make sure to follow any additional instructions provided to finalize the deletion. Once you have completed these steps, your Hotels.com account should be permanently deleted. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.